Alrighty guys, check it out. We got this 2016 Honda Civic 2-door coupe touring edition. So the subwoofer on this thing just sounds really bad. I'll do a little demo shortly. We're gonna be replacing it. Just gonna show you guys how we're gonna do it. This is the subwoofer that we're gonna be adding. Is an 8-inch kicker subwoofer. Stay tuned. All right guys, check this out. We got the 2016 Honda Civic coming in for the subwoofer replacement. Customer was hearing this nasty rattling noise. This is a 2016 Honda Civic Touring Edition 2-door coupe. Check this out. The sub sounds okay now, but you can hear there's a small little rattle, so when you have too much space to it, I'm sure that little cone around it is burned out. So we're gonna go ahead and take that apart, replace it with the kicker subwoofer, award-winning high-performance bass 8-inch sub for this Civic here. I'm sure you guys have dealt with that, and we can get you straightened out if you need to. Let's go ahead and take it apart. Alrighty guys, check it out. We got the back panel all removed. It's pretty easy. It's nothing too crazy. I mean, you can try to do it at home, but just be careful. You don't want to break any parts. You're gonna have a screw right up here. You're gonna have the clip that goes right on here. Screw, clip, pull it down, pop it out, you're good. These you gotta pop it upwards and you can remove that panel. Now we got to get to these puppies back here. So right here you got the screw, right? Phillips, and then you got these clips that is just held on with the metal clip and a plastic clip that locks that in there. And then the back panel, make sure you guys disconnect all the speakers, because you don't want to break these. Well, I mean, you only got to take off the tweeter connection, because those are the only ones on the board. And then when you get here, don't pull. Do not pull. Push it upwards. Push it up, up, up. That'll slide right out. All right, let me continue. Alrighty guys, so we took out the subwoofer from the Civic. So that's where it's kind of damaged here. Let me get in the light. It's nothing major, but you see that? Yeah, that's major. I would say throw some silicone on there, because that's all it really takes is some silicone, and then you can throw it back in, but you're gonna be risking it. So why risk it? Let's throw on the comp. Baby sub, baby. Out with the old sub, and with the new. Alrighty guys, check it out. We wrapped up the subwoofer install. There it is. So I didn't get the little bracket just because I didn't have enough time. But I always make these things work. We got a screw here, screw here, screw here, and a screw here. And that sucker's bolted on pretty good. So I will mention to you, you do have to bend this bracket a little bit to get this woofer to slide in here. Put a towel on here so that way you're not breaking things or scratching your window tint. And then all you gotta do is just bend it back in place. Hopefully that helps you guys. If you can't do it, bring it on down to Dee's garage in Corona.